Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and today I'll be sharing with you much more knowledge on how to beat the market, how to make sure you beat the market again, all odds, making sure that you are able to capitalize in the market. But without wasting much time, if you are new to this channel, you know what to do, guys. Please follow our family, click the subscribe and notification bell so that you get notified every time we drop. And also, let's click the like and take this video to 1,000 likes, guys. Please show your support as I come to this channel to give you guys much knowledge that I can, and many people have been able to go into forex trading just by watching this video. So you can too. I believe in you. So let's not waste much time. Let's go into the chat. Grab your pen and paper. Let's go. I'm now looking at GBP/JPY, one of my favorite pairs. So let's just dive deeper, guys. This is gonna be a very nice lesson. I want you guys to take notes. Make sure you understand what is really happening in the market. So, as I always explain, that you need to start the market from a higher time frame. By me saying that, I'm simply training your eye and making you understand that you need to know what the bigger picture holds. Things like this. And then when you go to 4 hour, you get something like this, right? Right? You see? So this is just something you need to be aware of, where you will be seeing in the market. But let's not confuse you any further. I want you guys to identify your highs and lows on daily time frame. You can see we have a low here, we have a low here, and we have a high here, and we have a low here, we have a low here. Right, I think this that's it. And another one will be a high here, high here. Okay, fine. So looking at this, can we get something here? Yeah, we can use this one. Yeah, we can use this one. I want to show you something. Go to so you see we have the highs and lows. Those will be able to show you, identify you, whether you are in an uptrend or downtrend, right? So let's go to, you can see now we are having a push, and then we're having this in a correction. If I use my secret strategies, use this, you know how to identify the pattern. I'll take this, I'll take this as well. So I can see that we are having a what? We are having a move and then correction here. So expecting a touch here before we push further to the downside. But if subsequently we push above, that simply says that this has simply pushed impulse, correction, impulse. So now you saw that I showed you two different things. So now let's not confuse you further. Let's go to for our chart. Yes, indeed. When you are looking at 4 hour, you just have to understand and make sure that you are always ahead of the market. So looking at this, okay, now you take your lows. This not gonna draw too much, so here another one and another one here. Then now I'm gonna go to 4 hour. 4 hour I see. For me to keep on pushing up, I must break this, and understand. So for me to keep going up, I must break, retest, and push, right? And then for me to say, okay, fine, because this might be a chance of this to go down. Because why? We can see that we are looking at this manner. If we go to 1 hour, So with this one, I'll wait for the break. Don't squeeze it. Give it a little bit of a room, something like this. So I'll wait for what? A break. So I'm more confident in selling this than buying it. But I can see here, let's go to 15 minutes. You can see we are having this. So I'm not so confident about this movement pushing to the upside, but we just have to wait. Let's take this. Let's take this here. Let's take this. We just have to wait, because what I can do for me to push down, let's do this. You see? So this can happen, right? This can happen. Possible for this to happen, right? And it's also possible for a push. So we just have to understand how the market breaks here. Whether it's going to break downward. If it breaks to the downside, it simply says we are going down. But if the market fails, simply telling us that we are now pushing to the upside. So you just need to know how the market moves. So let's look at something a little bit more significant. Can you see here? You could take this as well. I know some people, they struggle to draw their patterns, so sometimes they take it from the beginning here. So you know that here, and then I will take this one as well. Then obviously my sell, the break, and my stop loss will be here. Then I take it all the way down. Looks easy, but practice makes it perfect, guys. I was once a beginner as well, so I understand where you're coming from. So don't be too hard on yourself. Make sure that you are able to understand the basics before you run further into taking big accounts and so forth. And also make sure that you apply risk management accordingly, and you are able to see the mistakes that you are making. Always have a trading journal. The rules, write them down, follow them. They will assist you in becoming the best trader that you can be. And also remember, you are competing with yourself, not with any other person. Each and everyone will have a different success in forex trading, different journey, different duration. So you see, and have something like this. So always make sure you practice what I show you guys on this channel. It will assist you, and also understand that you are able to do the pattern separation. You see this one, you can see what happened here. The market broke here and then came back, boom. You understand? So if you didn't know what was happening, you would think that this is gonna push down, but we know that it's an impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So it market moves in that manner. It won't just shoot straight. Even this one can look at it in this manner. You can see we're having what? A correction. See? So even if it might not move, but when it moved, it will certainly move further, guys. So I'm forgot to upgrade my plan. I need to upgrade my plan today. So you see how this move began. This move started here. So even if I remove this, this move started here, and then what became here? Correction. We bought, put our stop loss just here, and took it all the way up. So you just need to understand the market, how it moves. So don't be following or forcing the market to turn whenever you want it to turn. The market will turn when it wants to turn. So my validation is here. The simple, let's say you can put my, let's do this. Okay, let me do this, because it's possible for the market to reverse here at this other block, and then voila. So I'm expecting a bullish movement. Now I see it. Now, no, I'm expecting a bullish movement. I don't see, because I see we broke here. This one, we broke this boy here. We broke this boy here. We broke, so I'm expecting a retest around here before we can push to the upside. So let me do this. I'm only gonna wait for the market to come to me. So this is what I'll be happy in taking this trade when it comes here for the third touch, because I can see what we are having here. We are having touch, oops, touch, touch. So if I can have this here, a touch, if the market comes here, I'll be more than happy. So for me, your favorite mentor, this is how myself, Ofentse Ledwaba, I beat the market. So join me in the next video. Peace.